Good afternoon, class and ma'am. Today my group will be presenting the strand energy and change. The topic is electricity. For grade 6 term 1, we are testing what a conductor and insulator is. So firstly, a conductor is a substance or material that allows electricity to flow through it. So these can be your metals, such as copper, aluminium, gold, silver, brass, or steel. Then you get insulators. So an insulator is a material that does not allow electricity to pass through it. These are your non-metals. So these can be glass, air, wood, plastic, and rubber.
And I'll be doing the elements of conductors and insulators. For example, we have for the metals, we have a paper clip, we have a pin, we have a coin, and then we have a staplet and a foil. And then for the non-metals, we have a wood, we have plastic toy, and then we have a rubber. Thank you.
I'll be doing the functions of conductors and insulators. Conductivity refers to the capacity of substance to transmit electricity or heat. Conductors conduct electricity since it offers a little or no resistance to the flow of electrons, thus leading to a flow of electrical current. Pure elemental silver is one of the best electrical conductors. Other good electrical conductors include the following: it's a pen, a coin, and a paper clip. Electrical insulators are used to hold conductors in position, separating them from one another and from surrounding structures. They form a barrier between energized parts of an electric circuit and confine the flow of current to wires or other conducting path as designed. The insulation of electrical circuits is necessarily required for successful operation of electrical and electronic apparatus.
So we'll be using the components of an electric circuit to check whether the materials that we have, are they insulators or conductors. So the components that we have the bulb, and then the symbol of the bulb is here. So the function of the bulb, it is to convert electrical energy into light energy. Then we have the battery, which is this one. And then the symbol of a battery is like this. So the function of a battery, it is to supply the electric circuit with power, or maybe we can say it provides us with electrical energy. And then lastly, we have the wire. So the wire is simply like this. And then the function of a wire, it is to connect the components of an electric circuit together and allow the electric current to pass through. Learners will be required to perform a hypothesis using 4 steps. Step 1, ask a question. Step 2, hypothesize the outcome and identify materials. Step 3, perform the experiment. Step 4, collect data and record the findings.
An electrical circuit needs a path, and some paths are better than others. And today we will be conducting a small experiment where we are testing the various materials on this board for their conductivity and insulation properties. Okay. This circuit is very simple. It only contains a cell and a bulb and some wires. Today we're going to be using this to test the materials if they are a conductor or an insulator. So we're just going to go through them very quickly. When placing them on the thing, they should light the bulb if it is a conductor. Now to test this, if it's working correctly, you can just put them together and complete the circuit. Next, we're going to do one that is an insulator. You can see this because the bulb does not light up. We can similarly keep going and see that the bulb lights up every time we touch a conductor. Now we have various metals and materials here. You can find these pretty much anywhere. This one is a wooden heart, as you can see, not a conductor. That is all for today.
In conclusion, as my fellow group members have said, I'm going to sum up everything. So an insulator is something that does not allow electricity to flow through it, or does not light up the bulb. A conductor allows current to flow easily through it. And some examples of insulators can be your plastic, paper, and maybe a wood. And then what's this? The conductors, examples of conductors can be metal such as steel, iron, and copper. For your homework, go do a research based on whether humans are good conductors of electricity or not. And that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our presentation. Thank you so much.